video that Zach did a little earlier is he mentioned how we're changing our order forms to these order form cards now, or Kanban cards, which we have on our wall over here. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to modify it a little bit by something that's been irritating me for years actually, and it's taken us this long to actually do it. And all of our paperwork, mostly all of it, requires some sort of type of overlay, whether it's 2 7/8, 5 7/8, and then we're grabbing 3-inch stock or 6-inch stock, and then we're planing it down, and then we're bringing it to the edge sander, and then we're putting it on the wall. Such a huge time-consuming process. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go through a run of how long it actually takes to do the process, and then like I said, what I did is I made these 2 7/8 cards and 5 7/8 cards. So the time that it takes, we're going to cut one piece down to our standard 29 7/8 size, and then from there with these cards, from there we can go straight to the wall, whereas before we use these, the process that we're going to be doing after. Alright, stay tuned for the next video. Alright, so Zach is our prep guy currently, doing an excellent job. So what he's doing now is he's just pulling the stock, making sure it's free of checks and cracks at the end. So he's going to trim the edge off first, make sure it's not the raw edge, and then he's going to set it to his desired length. But the standard base overlay will be 29 7/8. Alright, now if he has multiple of these, he'll cut those. And then now let's say the paperwork also has a 5 7/8 piece. You'll grab a 6-inch piece, do the same process. Trim the end off. Make sure it has no checks, no cracks. Trim it off, perfect. Alright, now we're going to walk these over to the planer. Sometimes we have a cart sitting here, so we do have to walk around it, which is also wasted motion. Now we have to turn the planer on. Right now it is set at 3/4. So now we set it to our desired width, which is 2 7/8. And now we have the weighting. We also want to make sure we blow out the inside so that none of the shaving gets stuck onto the roller, which does leave defects. So there's the 2 7/8, and now we have to reset it for the 5 7/8. And we're backtracking, and we're ready. Okay, now that second piece is done. Now we can turn the planer off. And now we're going to walk over to the edge sander. Because as I said, the planer is going to leave some tear-out marks on the edges, as well as rolling marks on the bottom. So it does leave some tear-out. You can't really see it on here on maple, but I assure you it is there.
Hi.
Bye.
Hi.
Oh. Alright, now we're at the edge sander. Now we're going to give that a little edge sand. And now the pieces are ready to go onto the wall. Thanks, Zach.
No worries.
So essentially what those cards are going to do now is it's going to eliminate all that waste. Now when we order them in, all we have to do is that first process of cutting it to size, and then we're good to go. Thanks for watching.